Make a great choice today with the 2023 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, roof rails, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, front wheel drive. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, cup holders, console, floor mats. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.